Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Hegde from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar East. Our today's assignment is assignment number 9, construct sentences using idioms. Practical significance. English language is rich in idioms and make the communication very effectively. Idioms are saying which introduce the principle and values of culture, society. Use of the figurative language can make communication more effective. They provide for expressive communication and the way of different people to say the same thing but with the different circumstantial allusion. Idioms expression are so frequently encountered in both spoken and written discourse that is require the social special attention in language program and should not be neglected or positive with the secondary importance of curriculum. Use of figurative language is essential and communicate in English in spoken or written form. Relevant program outcomes. Basic knowledge, communication skill, and long life learning is also developed. Formatting grammatically correct sentences, use relevant words and context, framing dialogue, etc. Construct sentences or idiom. Use computer system, include language lab supporting, develop language learning or language reading skill, etc. Relevant effective domain. Formulate safety practice, demonstrate the ideas, individual as a team member, etc. Minimum theoretical background, knowledge of vocabulary, they construct the sentences, writing skill required also there, basic technique of expression, ideas, emotion, etc. Then procedure also the same as we see in last assignment. First of all, open language lab property, log in your account, okay, read this instruction carefully, then collect some idioms and phrases and write down their meaning, got their meaning, and use such idioms and phrases in your own sentences. So, in this way, we are performing the assignment number 9, idioms and phrases. Here are some idioms are given. It is simple, it is the phrases also there. So, we have to know how to use in such phrases in our language and how they make our language more figurative, more attractive, or more attractive by listening. In a shell, in a nutshell, just tell me the story in a nutshell. In a brief. In nutshell means brief means short but sweetly. At outset means in the beginning. You made mistake at the outset. A bosom friend means close. I treat him like my bosom friend. Okay, my bosom friend. In a full swing at the height. The college football season in now in a full swing. Hit the hay means go to bed. Hit the hay means go to hay. Sham has hit the hay. In the dark means in the state of ignorance, unknown. They kept me in the dark about their plans. Next, true to the salt means do not deceive, not false. Correct means correct. The Maratha soldiers were true to their sword in the battlefield. For the sake of means for them. For this, stop the smoking for the sake of my health. In the state of okay, for them. Due to the financial loss, he was in a depression in the state of mind. Look forward to our future. Mean take care of, okay, or to focus on. Look out for. Look out for special ideas. Turn down. Please turn down the bags. Lay down. They lay down under the shade of tree. Get the walking paper means you are fired. You had better keep your character clean or you are going to get walking paper. By all means, do not make money by all means. Piece of cake, a job or a task or other activity is easy to simple. Means daily exercise is a piece of cake for my brother. With one voice anonymously. Shreyas was deleted at the class representative with one voice. Sit on fence. This is used someone does not want to choose or make the decision, didn't take decision. A few employees often sit on the fence in a critical situation. Still someone's thunder to take credit of something someone else or did. Miss Neha steals someone's thunder and boasts herself. Once for all, finally, once for all, my daughter finished with all her school project at stretch con- continuously. Stretch means continuously. We have been walking or we have been working on the task of at the stretch. In this way, we have to using such idioms or phrases in our sentences and making our language more attractive or figurative. Okay? So, student, you have to using such a language, make your language attractive. Thank you very much.